Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Realme Narzo 50A smartphone. This is the very typical Narzo packaging from Realme, the blue and white packaging. There's a lot of information on it. Right on top it's written #1 quality smartphone brand. This is the quintessential Indian brand. What else do we have? Over here we have some more information. This particular phone runs on the Helio G85 gaming processor. It comes with a 6000 mAh mega battery. It also has a 50 MP AI triple camera setup and also supports 18 watts of quick charge. And that's it. This is what the information you will get over here. There's one other thing. The color of this particular smartphone is oxygen blue. Now let's open this box and show you what's inside. Just one final thing I should mention, this particular smartphone has 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of memory. Now let's take a look at each of these components in the box. So this is what you find inside the box. Over here there are some documents. Let me just show you the documents really quickly. So we have a safety guide from Realme. There you can see this. And this is the quick guide for the RMX 3430, basically the Narzo 50A or the Narzo series in general. I'm going to leave this over here. This is the SIM ejecting pin that comes with this particular box, and this is the 18 watt fast charger that comes from Realme. Yeah, there you go. This is the is it 18 watt? Yeah, this is, it's not written, it's 18 watt now, but this is the 18 watt fast charger from Realme. USB-A connector on one side, and this is the USB Type-C charging cable from Realme. There you can see, this is the Type-C charging cable right over here. Now I'm not removing the package, it's very nice, very neatly packed. Now let's take a look at the smartphone itself. This is the Narzo 50A. It comes with a 6.5 inch display. Yeah, it comes with a 6.5 inch HD plus display. I'm going to turn on the display and show it to you. Once again, this is the oxygen blue variant. At the back there is this particular texture over here. It actually looks like a texture, it's not, it's pretty smooth, but there is a gradient over here. I'll remove the sticker just so you can get a better view. There you can see. It looks like a bumpy texture, but it's not. It's actually just a gradient, but it looks pretty good. This is the camera module. This is a triple camera module. There are 3 camera sensors here, which are the 50 MP, the 2 MP, and 2 MP. So one is 50 MP is the primary sensor. Then you have a 2 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor. So once again, this is a 6.5 inch HD plus display, and this is the 8 megapixel front facing camera. This looks like a teardrop notch right over here. And this is obviously the first page that you get once you start a brand new smartphone, once you power on a brand new smartphone. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Realme Narzo 50A smartphone. Thank you for watching.